Standard sequence of presentation to be followed in a Kathak recital. Invocation. The act of invoking is nothing but a calling upon a deity or spirit as a form of prayer. It can be a prayer, an offering in praise of our Guru, gods, goddess, or Mother Nature. It can be a Vandana, Aradhana, Stuti, Shloka, Kirtan, or Pada. Now, Vilamvit Laya. Vilamvit Laya is a composition in a slow speed in a chosen tal. The teen tal with 16-bit cycle is the most commonly used tal for performing a Vilamvit Laya. Next, Upaj. Upaj are short patterns of footwork which are spontaneously created along with the structure of the tala. Next, Tat. Tat in general means a graceful attitude. Tat is holding the body in a graceful dancing stance while performing very subtle movements of eyebrows, eyes, neck, wrist and torso. The next one is Uttan. Uttan is an introductory composition, either improvised or pre-composed, that features heavy-duty tabla, bowls and small nimble rhythmic composition which finish with an accent on some. Now next, Amad. Amad are rhythmic compositions involving only the syllables ta, the, tar and using slow, graceful movements. In this way, through slow content movements and stances, the grace and fluidity of the dance form as well as the style of the dancer gradually unfolds. The speed of the tabla starts from very slow pace, gradually increasing to move towards medium pace. Now, Madhyalaya. Theoretically, Madhyalaya should be double speed of Vilamvit Laya. The dancer should be able to control the speed at ease without losing control and command on feet, body, hand movements and tal. Tukra or Tora. These are small phrases of rhythmic compositions involving the entire body, that is feet, hands, torso, eyes, etc. A shorter version is the Tukra, whereas the longer version is Tora. There are a few distinctive categories of Tukra or Tora which are Natwari, using the syllables or vowels like Kram, Tram, etc. Next, Tatkar, using syllables of Tatkar only like Ta, Thei, Thei, Tat, Tig, Dha, Dig, Dig or Thei. Next is Sangeet Ka Tukra, using the syllables Thong, Long or Tho. Next, Parmelu, using several types of syllables and also imitation of sounds from nature like Kuku, Jiji, Chanak or Thora. Next comes Tihai. Tihai is the repetition of specific group of bowl or bits or rhythmic phrases 3 times identically with equal intervals in between the repetition. But Tihai is mostly executed through the feet. Now comes Drutlaya. Drutlaya are compositions in fast speed. Now in Drutlaya comes Gatnikas or Gadbhav. In Gatnikas, a meaningful or abstract dancing stance is held, and then the dancer moves in stylized walk or gait. Some typical examples of Gatnikas are Siddhi Gat, Basuri Gat or flute, Ruksar Gat or chick, Ghungat or veil, Achil or sari, and Chapka or hair ornaments, Mayur or peacock, and Alingan or embrace. Now Gadbhav. In Gadbhav, a story is enacted using the gesture language and facial expressions without the help of words. It is an extension of Gatnikas. Some typical examples of Gadbhav are Panghat, fetching water from the well, and Char or to cheese, Makhan Chori or stealing butter, Holi or color festival, Kaliya Daman or Krishna slaying the poisonous serpent Kaliya, Govardhan Leela or Krishna lifting the mountain. Next come Paran. Paran is rhythmic phrases composed of only pakwad syllables or bows executed with vigor. Next, footwork. Footwork signifies long patterns of rhythmic phrases that are woven in succession, such as tatkar, ladi, chalan, jugalbandi, etc. Next, kavitya. Kavitya or kavit is a lyric or poetic composition which are descriptive and dramatic and are portrayed with the body movements and gestures decoding its meaning or implications. Now, we discuss about some more special items that can be interparsed in our performance. Tarana, a special musical composition set in a particular raga using terms like derena, tanom, dire dire dim, etc. Tumri, a poetic compositions with an intense piece of avinaya, mostly highlighting love, beauty, longing, etc. Bhajan, any devotional song with religious theme or spiritual ideas composed in praise of some deity. Now, Ghazal. Ghazal is an expressive repertoire of Kathak where Kathakar expresses an Urdu poetry with a feel of sensuousness, pathos, and submissions. Chaturang is a musical composition made of 4 elements: khayal, sargam, tirvat, and tarana. If you have any query or doubts in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing.